now going to take you through some ankle rolls. So these are really good as a tool for rebuilding your feet and going to be a great thing for when you go running. We spend a lot of time building up our calves, building up the front through our tib band, but this is going to work through some smaller muscles and also some different ankle movements. So what we want to do is lean into the wall, and what you're going to do is take your inside leg off, and you're going to be focusing on your outside foot. And all we're doing is going into rolling our ankle slow and controlled inside and out. So it'll look like this. Rolling up and rolling in. Obviously you're not going to get a huge range of motion there, but the muscles are working, and that's what we want. We want to get that tension when we roll out, when we roll in. After a few reps of that, we're going to swap onto our inside foot, taking our right foot off. And same thing, we're going to be rolling out. Now on this one, you're not going to get much movement at all, but it's the tension that matters. So we're going to be rolling in as much as we can. So I'm only lifting off a little bit, but that's there. So roll in and roll out. And then what you're going to do is swap sides and do the same thing on your outside leg and your inside leg. To make this easier, you'll stand closer to the wall. To make it harder, you can go further out. What I would do is 20 reps on each leg facing this way, and turn around 20 reps on each leg facing that way.